Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you back up your monday.com account. So you can use Pro Backup. So that's we're going to use this site here, probackup.io, as our site for backup. So just open your browser and go to probackup.io. So once you get here, then what you have to do is click on Get Started. So once you click on Get Started, next what you have to do is um, go and select monday.com from these options here. So for example here, there you go, monday.com. So click on it. Once you click on it, and here click on try for free. So click on try for free. All right, and then go to it's just looping back to the same page. So just click on monday.com again. All right, so now we're going to start the backup process. So here, tick the box and then enter your email address. Click on continue. And then here what you have to do is you have to install the monday.com app. So just click on install app. It's pretty straightforward and won't be long. So just install that app. All right, so you can just choose all workspace and then click on install. So let's complete that process. All right, so you should see, okay, the next page you should see Pro Backup here. So it's all installed and that's fine. And then now click on create a backup account. So create account. So click on it next. So it will get to you to monday.com. So just follow the process, create account, and then here click on authorize. All right, and once that's done, then check in your workspace and then click on continue, and then it should start backing up shortly. So you can also have the option to connect to Google, but you'll just skip it. You don't need that now, so just click on skip for now. Right, and then click on start first backup. So this will now start the backup process, and it will take quite like an hour or probably a few hours. So you can just let it done. You should receive an email once it's done to your mail. So that's pretty much it is. So it's not preparing a backup, and it will take a few hours to complete the process. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.